Welcome to America Reads, where we complete fun and easy learning activities. Here, us college students work together to create effective activities for kids. Today's activity is focusing on completing math equations. I will be representing addition and subtraction with objects, fingers, and verbal explanations. And I will be demonstrating this activity by using bouncy balls to represent an equation and showing students which math signs work best with the equation shown. And I, Viridiana Rodriguez, will be walking you through this fun activity. Let's get started. Here we have our equal sign, our addition sign, and the subtraction sign. These are the signs that we use in math equations. So, our math equation that we will be doing today is right here, using bouncy balls. So, our equal sign is the sign that gives us the number that we are looking for, which in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bouncy balls. So, we need these two to equal to 6, and we have these two signs here. So, since subtraction means that you take away, since we have 4 bouncy balls here and 2 balls there, that means if we were to have 4 and we take away 2, then that means that we only have 2 left. So that wouldn't really make sense because we actually have 6 here. But if we put our addition sign in here, if we have 4 and we add 1, 2, that means that we have 6. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the correct equation. Here we have our second equation with the same signs and our subtraction sign. So our equal sign is most of the time gonna go in the same place. It's always going to go in the same place here because this is a number that we want. These are the two that we're given, and we have to find which sign goes in between so that we get that number. So if we have 2 bouncy balls here and we have 2 here. If we put subtraction here, 2 minus 2 equals 0. So that wouldn't work. But if we put our addition sign here, 2 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be the correct equation. We have this equation here. So on the other side of our equal sign, we have only 4 bouncy balls. So we have to make these two numbers equal to 4. So if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bouncy balls there, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 here. If we were to put our addition sign in here, that means that we would have to add 8 and 4, which would equal to 12, not 4. But if we were to put our subtraction sign in here, and we have 8 bouncy balls, and we take away 4 bouncy balls, it gives us 4 bouncy balls. And to test that out, since we have 8 here, we're gonna take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 bouncy balls, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to that number. Now for our third and last equation, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 bouncy balls on that side of the equation, right? Because these two numbers have to equal to this number. So these two numbers have to equal to 10. Now, If we test the subtraction sign here, that means that if you have 5, you have to take away 5. So that wouldn't work out. So we can go ahead and move that. But if we try addition, if we have 5 and you add another 5, then that gives you 10, which is right here. So addition would be the correct sign in this case. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you come back soon and learn some more with me. Please comment if you have any questions, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with tons of new fun activities.